Songwords of Birds and Plains, Part 1, by Okano. It is early morning, before the sun comes up. Caw, caw, caw. I can't sing, but I try my best, said Horatio Crow. I wonder what the sun is doing, asked the blackbird. Why are you all looking at me? He asked the other birds in the garden in the dawn chorus. The dawn chorus is like a choir of birds. We wonder what you're doing in this part of the garden. You should be with your mother, they said. Another dawn chorus in the neighboring garden of a Shakespeare enthusiast sang, Brutus is here, where is Cleopatra? Brutus is here, where is Cleopatra? Coo, 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 sang the pigeons at bedtime. Evening is here, why can't I go to sleep, said Jerome the littlest. I don't know, why don't you try harder, said Susie, his sister. Oh, go to sleep, you two, said Mummy. Oh, go away, said Stomper Crow. I can't find my mate, said Horatio. Why am I flying for no reason? I can't find a place to sit. I can't fly any harder, said wizened old Crow. Oh, it is breezy today. Why is it so breezy? We don't know, said the sparrows. You never know what will happen when you fly around. You might find a mate that way, said backwards flying Crow. I don't know why, with your looks, said obstreperous one. Oh, I give up, said Horatio. What? asked obstreperous. I can't get any help, said Horatio. Help with what? said obstreperous. Help with finding my mate, said Horatio, exasperated. You give up easily. I searched for days, said backwards flying. What am I to do without you? You were on my mind all day yesterday and today too. But I couldn't find you. I can't live without you. And now for our reading lesson. The letters O-W can be pronounced in two ways. O or ow. First of all, O. Crow, sparrow, swallow. Or ow, dow, and bow. Goodbye.